does work. It does work. I don't know if you want to do that or you want to make something like a satellite.
No, they have. It's called a tracking. The tracking thing, but that's about $300. The tracking thing.
That was like a tripod type of thing.
Yeah, it's a motor that turns with it.
No, that guy that was doing it by the theater was doing that. He had a little thing like.
No, he just had it standing there. He didn't have it moving.
Oh, you didn't have it moving?
No, I seen it.
I got one more pack. We have time for one pack.
Yeah. Try to see if you do that altitude hold. Maybe it'll hold you altitude because you going down. You going like this, up and down. You're going up and down.
Because what it is that when you see the sun glare, sun pops out. That's what it is. That's what I'm trying not to go. I was gaining speed over there, but I had to slow down.
Nice. All right.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, indeed. All right, let me get another pack.
You unplug. Oh, stop.
Oh, yeah, unplug. Oh, shit.
Shut off the power.
Oh, yeah, shut off the Mobius too. Okay. Okay.